Good afternoon. Let us start with the session. Let us first revise quickly whatever we have seen. Okay, so we started with design of a quarter joint wherein there were different parts of the quarter. Now, quickly, someone tell me what we have seen. What are the different parts of the quarter joint?
rod, socket collar,
Yes, rod
spigot
and
and scot.
now with this we have seen what are the different types of forces and what are the different types of stresses will be acting on these three parts. This we have already seen. So again quickly someone of you, what was the stress or what was the load acting on the rod?
Tensile.
Okay, what was the next part which we have seen?
Spigot,
Yes, next part we
Spigot,
considered the spigot. In the spigot, what were the different types of forces acting?
tensile, crushing, shearing.
Yes, there was three different types of force, that is tensile. First one we have seen. Then we have seen it will be crushing also due to the water available there in between, and because of it there was also a shear. So there were three different types of loading acting on a spigot. Then we started with spigot collar. What were the different types of stresses acting on it?
Sharing or crushing.
shearing, crushing.
Yes, there was a force of a nature of shear and other was crushing. Any doubts to anyone till this part?
No, sir.
Okay. Is the component visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. We have already discussed about this part, that is a spigot and a spigot collar. This already we have seen. Okay, now let us start with this part, this particular part, that is pin. Now the pin is like this. So what kind of stress do you feel will come on pin on the collar?
Shearing.
First of all it will be shearing. अब देखो shearing में क्या होगा, because the load is acting here, because the load is acting at this particular point, this particular part will come out. अब ये बाहर आते टाइम क्या होगा, ऊपर वाला जो सरफेस है ये वाला, ये सरफेस को रब करेगा और नीचे वाले सरफेस को भी रब करते हुए बाहर आएगा. So if you see from the top, what will be the cross section area?
B into T.
B into T. ओके, ठीक है. देखो यहाँ से यहाँ तक B, ठीक है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो डिस्टेंस है वो है B. ये हमने ऑलरेडी देखे, द क्वार्टर विद बीम विद इज B, और ये जो थिकनेस है वो हमने अज्यूम किया है T. सो द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल विल बी B मल्टीप्लाइड बाय T. बट वो B मल्टीप्लाइड बाय T एक ऊपर भी है और दूसरा नीचे भी है. ऑन बोथ साइड इट विल शेयर.
Into 2, sir.
यस, जब ये बाहर
Into 2,
आएगा
sorry.
तो ऊपर वाला पार्ट भी रब होगा, नीचे वाला पार्ट भी रब होगा. तो इट विल बी 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय B मल्टीप्लाइड बाय T. एनी डाउट्स?
No, sir.
ओके, ठीक है. अच्छा, अब शियर तो देख लिया, और इस पे क्या आएगा? व्हाट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लोड विल कम? सिंपल सा
Bending.
क्वेश्चन. यस, वेरी गुड. ये आपको सबसे पहला बोलना चाहिए, बिकॉज द एक्सिस ऑफ द लोड अप्लाइड एंड द एक्सिस ऑफ द पिन आर परपेंडिकुलर टू द ईच अदर. So if they are perpendicular to each other, what will come?
Bending.
Yes, bending will come. So for bending we have the formula sigma is equal to m by z. So this completed our component of pin or a quarter. Now the last part is this one. What is this part?
Socket.
Socket. Okay. Now again we have the concept that load will be applied like this, along this direction. The load will be applied along this direction. So what you expect? What kind of load you expect?
Tensile.
Yes, it will be a tensile load. It is just pulling it out. So if it is a tensile load, where it will break?
Minimum cross section.
Minimum cross section area. So on this particular element, where is the minimum cross section area? Yes, the part at this point, at this junction. You can see this part, जहाँ पर अभी मेरा ये पेन रखा हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
So this is the part which is having minimum cross section area. So what I will write, it is outer circle minus inner circle. ये तो होगा ही. Area of outer circle minus inner circle minus the slot of the rectangle. Then we have the part socket collar. ठीक है? Okay. So again by observation, what you can say about socket collar? What kind of force will come on socket collar?
Shear.
Shear. उसके पहले बेसिक क्या आएगा सबसे पहले?
क्रशिंग.
Crush.
तो देखो क्रशिंग में क्या होगा, दिस पिन, ये पिन जो है वो इस वाले एरिया को यहाँ पर जो है ये वाला पार्ट, ये आपको समझ दिख रहा है, मेरा जो फिंगर है यहाँ पर, ये दिख रहा है आप लोग को?
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर,
ठीक है, ये वाला पार्ट क्या होगा? प्रेस होगा, बराबर?
यस सर,
हाँ, ये पार्ट जब प्रेस होगा मतलब वो कौन सा फेलियर हो गया?
Crushing.
इट इज क्रशिंग फेलियर, ठीक है। सो ऑन दिस पार्ट दैट इज ऑन सॉकेट कॉलर देयर विल बी क्रशिंग फेलियर। उसके बाद क्या होगा?
Shearing.
Shearing.
देखो, व्हेन दिस लोड विल इंक्रीज, जब ये लोड और बढ़ते जाएगा तो क्या होगा? ये वाला जो पार्ट है, ये वाला जो पार्ट है वो क्या होगा? बाहर आ जाएगा, आएगा नहीं आएगा?
आएगा।
ठीक है, सो बाहर आ रहा है मतलब क्या हो गया? वो इट इज अ shear, it will rub some surface and come out. So this will be shearing effect. We will come to PPT to see actually what will be the area.
पिन कॉटर,
Pin or quarter, okay. So this is the type or the fourth part, that is the pin or quarter. In the first thing we have seen, the pin will be shearing. So see, as I said, there will be, this part will come out, and while coming out this will rub this surface and also this rub surface. So this is a rectangle of B multiplied by T, and there is one more rectangle up which is B into T. So the total area will become 2 into B into T. So yes, it is written here, P is equal to 2 into B into T into sigma S. But if I, in usual time, if I write, it will be sigma S is equal to P divided by 2 into B into T. So what is unknown here?
mean width of quarter, mean width of quarter.
Yes, the unknown is the mean width of quarter, that is B. So from this equation I will get answer for B in mm. Okay, let us proceed to the next part. The second type of failure which comes on quarter is what?
Bending.
Bending. So for bending we have like this. There will be a UDL type acting on this side, and there will be UVL acting on this side, and there is some derivation for this, and we will get the equation like this. Sigma B is equal to P into D4 plus 0.5 D2 divided by 2TB square. Normally we have the relation sigma B is equal to M by Z. Okay, sigma B is equal to M by Z, where M is the moment. Okay, moment होगा, sigma B is equal to, if M is the moment, I will write it is P multiplied by L, force multiplied by distance, divided by Z. Z is nothing but the section modulus. So if you have remembered, in the knuckle joint we have taken it pi by 32 D1 cube, because वहां पर हमारा सेक्शन क्या था? सर्कुलर था। याद आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? भूल गए?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वहां पर पिन हमारा सर्कुलर था, इसलिए हमने लिखा था पाई बाय 32 D1 क्यूब। बट यहाँ पर कौन सा सेक्शन है हमारा? सर्कुलर है,
Rectangular.
रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन। सो फॉर रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन वी हैव BD क्यूब बाई 12, अगर आप लोग को याद होगा BD क्यूब बाई 12 एक्चुअली वो होता है। सो फाइनल आंसर विच विल गेट आफ्टर डिराइविंग by this kind of forces which are acting on the quarter, we will get this expression as sigma B is equal to P into D4 plus 0.5 D2 divided by 2TB square. So as I already said, I will give the derivation for knuckle joint also for sigma B, and I will also give the derivation for sigma B on quarter in the Google Classroom. It is not expected that it will come in exam. You have to remember this relation directly. Okay, so what is the unknown in this equation now? In sigma B,
Diameter of socket collar.
diameter of socket collar, that means what? Notation
D4.
D4, yes, D4 is the unknown. So P is known to me, D2 is known to me, T is known to me, B square is known to me. The only unknown is the diameter of the socket collar, that is D4. So from this expression I will get the answer for D4 in mm.